everybody, welcome to Frannie's Hair. Today's video is all about the winners of our anniversary raffles. I'm going to go through each one of them and choose the winners. Thank you to everybody who participated in our anniversary celebration. As I've said so many times, and it's so true, it means the world to us that you are part of Frannie's Hair, and we're really looking forward to this coming year with all of you. Okay, so we're going to start with the 4 raffles that you got entries into by making a purchase from the various brands. Now for these 4 raffles, the winners will be contacted by us via email. So make sure if you win, you check your email. If you don't see it, check your junk or spam folders, and we can reach out to you because we have your information because you purchased from us. The winners of the 2 YouTube video raffles, there's going to be different instructions, so pay attention to that if you entered those raffles. Okay, let's start with the Ellen Villa raffle. The winner of this raffle gets to choose the style and color of a synthetic Ellen Villa wig that they would like. Okay, so let's spin the wheel. And the winner is Dana L. Congratulations, Dana L. All right, on to our next raffle, which was a John Renault raffle. And the winner of this raffle gets to choose between Ignite and Cameron Light, 2 of my favorite John Renault styles. And you get to choose which color you'd like in one of those styles. Okay, so let's spin the wheel here. Andrea K, congratulations, Andrea K. Be on the lookout for an email. Okay, the next raffle was a Raquel Welch raffle, and the winner of this raffle gets to choose a synthetic wig in the color of their choice. And let's spin the wheel here. And the winner is Sharon C. Congratulations, Sharon C. And the last of the 4 raffles that you could get into by making purchases is the Tressallure raffle. And the winner of this will get a synthetic Tressallure wig in the style and color of their choice. So let's spin that wheel. Congratulations, Penny O. You are the winner of the Tressallure raffle. Okay, the first YouTube raffle, the winner will get one of the 4 new Ellen Villa wigs. This is one of them. This is Dua in Sahara Beige Shaded. I love this one. So they'll get the choice of one of the 4 new wigs in the color of their choice. So I've entered in the URL for that video and filtered out duplicates. And let's get the comments. We will do the little math problem they gave me. 8 plus 8. Okay, 16 I'm pretty sure. And let's get the YouTube comments. We had 182 unique comments. And now I'm going to start this to choose the winner. And the winner is Blueberry O. And she says, love the Dua. Great choice. All right, Blueberry O, if you could send us an email to orders@frannieshair.com and also let us know the color that you would like, we will get that wig right out to you. And finally, we have a raffle where the winner will get a synthetic Envy wig in the style and color of their choice. So let me put in the information in the YouTube random comment picker. for this video. Okay, so I have put in here the URL for that video, filtered out duplicate comments. I'm going to do the math. 7 plus 9 is 16, last I checked. And let's get the comments and see how many we had. We had 153 unique comments, and now we are going to press the start button here to choose the winner. And the winner is Kathleen Ryan Art. Congratulations, Kathleen. I'm so happy for you. You can send an email to orders@frannieshair.com. Also, I know how much you participate in our Frannie's Hair private Facebook group with all of your color comparisons, and I really do appreciate that, so thank you. Okay, congratulations to all of our winners. I'm so excited for all of you. And again, thank you everybody for being part of the Frannie's Hair family. We look forward to another exciting year. Take care, everybody. I'll talk to you soon.